So class 8 mathematics paper. So the first question, the multiplicative identity in the set of rational number is it 0, is it 1, is it -1 or is it 10? So it is option B 1. So this is the public exam paper with answers. So a to the power of n whole by n is equal to, so the right answer is option D, a to the power of m into n. So the third question, if the area of a square is 196 centimeter square, then the length of the side is, so it is 14 centimeters. The decimal form of 4.5 into 10 to the power of -4 is, so it's option C, 0.00045. The simplified form of x plus 2 into x minus 2 plus 4 is, it's option D, x whole square. Among these, the number which is completely divisible by 11 is option B, 3487. Cube root of 64 is option C, 4. The factor of the algebraic expression 6p square q minus 30pq square are, so the right answer is option A, 6pq and p minus 5q. If the interior angle of a regular polygon is 150 degree, then the number of sides of that polygon is option A, 12. If the cost of 2 kg mangoes is rupees 80, then the cost of 5 kg mangoes is option C, 200 rupees is the right answer. The graph used to compare two sets of data is it pictograph or is it double bar graph or is it pie chart or histogram? So the right answer is option B, double bar graph. If the cost of 5 pens is 20 rupees more than cost of 1 pen, then cost of 1 pen is, so it is rupees 5, option D is the right answer. The sum of 2a plus 3ab and 5a plus 2b is, the right answer is option C, 7a plus 3ab plus 2b. If the area of base of a cuboid is 64 centimeter square, then its volume is 320 centimeter cube. Then its height is, so the right answer is option D, 5 centimeter. A person buys a wrist watch for rupees 4,000. If he has to pay 8% GST on the watch, then the total amount to be paid is, so it is rupees 4,320. A cubical die numbered from 1 to 6 is rolled once. The probability of getting number 5 is, so the right answer is option B, 1 by 6. So 17th question, the sum of two digit numbers 4a and 35 is 81. So find the digit represented by the letter A. So A is equal to 6. A is equal to 4. So the right answer is A is equal to 4. Write the formula to find lateral surface area of a cuboid having the length L and the breadth B and height h units. So the answer is 2h into L plus B. If a polyhedron has 2 edges and 6 faces, then find the number of vertices of that polyhedron. If a polyhedron has 2 edges and 6 faces, then find the number of vertices of that polyhedron. The answer is V is equal to 8 vertices. So list all the outcomes when two coins are tossed together. See, H means head and T means tail. So 2HH into HT into TH into TT. So the 21st question, find the square root of 4489 by division method. So you can see the calculation, I have done it above. So the right answer is the square root of 4489 is 67. So 22nd question, factorize 9a square minus 16b square by using suitable identity. So 9a square minus 16b square, so we can take it as 3a whole square minus 4b whole square. So a square minus b square, which is equal to a plus b into a minus b, which is equal to 3a plus 4b, then 3a minus 4b. So a is equal to 3a and b is equal to 4b. So 23rd question, in a quadrilateral ABCD, sum of angle C and angle D is 140 degree. The rays drawn to divide angle A and angle B equally intersect each other at P. Find the measures of angle APB. So P is equal to 70 degree. So 23rd I have calculated it over here. So angle D plus angle C, which is equal to 140 degrees. The total internal angle in the quadrilateral is n minus 2 into 180 degree. So whereas n is equal to 4, so 4 minus 2 into 180 degree, which is equal to 360 degrees. So angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D, which is equal to 360 degree. So angle A plus angle B plus, so we know the angle C 140, which is equal to 360 degree. So angle A plus angle B, which is equal to 360 minus 140 degree. So angle A plus angle B is equal to 220 degree. In angle ABP, the angle A plus angle B plus P, which is equal to 180. So now, so angle A plus angle B by 2 plus P, which is equal to 180 degree. So 220 divided by 2 plus P, which is equal to 180 degree. So 110 plus P, which is equal to 180. So P is equal to 180 minus 110. So P is equal to 70. So moving on to the question number 24. The following graph shows the temperature of a patient in a hospital recorded every hour. Observe the graph and answer the below question. See, they are given the time and the temperature. So, first question, what was the patient's body temperature at afternoon 12:30? So, the first answer is 37.5 degrees centigrade. So, at what time the body temperature of the patient was maximum? So, it was at 11 a.m. So, 25th question, a factory requires 42 machines to produce a given number of article in 63 days. So, how many machines would be required to produce the same number of articles in 54 days? So, they are inversely proportional. So, x1, y1, which is equal to x2, y2. So, 42 into 63, which is equal to x into 54. So, 42 into 63 divided by 54, which is equal to x square. So, 49, which is equal to x square. So, this is the answer. So, for the values, looking on to the 26th question, for the values, A is equal to half, B is equal to 2 by 7 and C is equal to 5 by 7. Check whether A into B plus C, which is equal to A into B plus A into C. So, half into 2 by 7 plus 5 by 7, which is equal to half into 2 by 7 plus half into 5 by 7. So, here half into 7 by 7 when we calculate the inside the bracket. So, over here inside the bracket will be 2 by 14. So, over here in the last will be 5 by 14. So, then when we calculate, when we multiply, we get 7 by 14 and 7 by 14. So, LHS is equal to RHS. So, 27th question, the sum of 3 consecutive multiples of 11 is 363. So, find these multiples. So, let the 3 consecutive multiple of 11 be x comma x plus 11 comma x plus 22. So x plus 11 plus x plus 22, which is equal to 363. So 3x plus 33 is equal to 363. So x is equal to 363 minus 33. So we get the answer 3x is equal to 330. So then again the next step, x is equal to 330 by 3. So x is equal to 110 is the answer. So x is equal to 110. So 28th, a person bought a TV for 10,000 and marks to 20% more price on it. So if he sells it at a discount of 10%, then how much profit does he get? So this is 28th question. So here, so cost price is equal to 10,000. So marked 20% on the cost price, which is equal to 20% of the cost price. So which is equal to 20 by 100 into 10,000, which is equal to 2,000. So MP, which is equal to 10,000 plus 2,000, which is equal to 12,000. See, 10% discount on the marked price, 10% of the 12,000, which is equal to 1,200. So SP, which is equal to 12,000 minus 1,200, which is equal to 10,800. The profit, which is equal to SP minus CP. So which is equal to 10,800 minus 10,000. So the profit is 800. So 29th question. Construct the quadrilateral ABCD given AB, which is equal to 6 cm, BC, which is equal to 5 cm, CD, which is equal to 55 cm, AD, which is equal to 6 cm, and AC, which is equal to 8 cm. I am really bad at drawing, so please draw a proper quadrilateral, children. So moving on to the next question. In a family function, welcome drink was served to each guest in cylindrical shaped glasses of height 10 cm and the circumference at the base was 22 cm, completely filled up to the brim. Find the amount of juice in liters required to serve for 50 guests. So here we can take the height is equal to 10 cm and the base, which is equal to 22 cm. So for 50 people, how much? So 2 pi r, which is equal to 22, r is equal to 22 by 2 pi. So r is equal to 11 by pi, which is equal to 11 by 22 into 7, which is equal to 7 by 2, which is equal to 3.5. The volume of one cylindrical glass, so pi r square h. So 22 by 7 into 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 into 10. So 11 into 7 into 10 divided by 2. So which is equal to 385 centimeter square. So 50 guess. So 50 into 385. So it comes around 19,250 centimeter cube. So 19,250 divided by 1,000, which is equal to 19.25 liters. So the last question. The following table shows the number of students who likes to do different activities on Sunday. Represent the data in a pie chart. So activities: playing, cycling, trekking and swimming. So playing, number of students was 12. So 12 by 36 into 360, which is equal to 120 degree. Cycling 10. So 10 by 36 into 360, which is equal to 100. Trekking 6 students, which is equal to 6 by 36 into 360, which is equal to 60 degrees. Swimming 8 children, so 8 by 36 into 360, which is equal to 80. So when we calculate 120 degree, 100 degree, a 60 degree and an 80 degree, we get 360 degree. Then you have to represent it in a pie chart. Thank you so much for watching.